You are Senior Director of Engineering. You report to the VP. The VP reports to the CEO. You are 2 steps away from the person who runs the entire company. You are the bridge between product strategy and engineering reality. The business wants to ship 12 new products in the next 18 months. Engineering says that's impossible. You figure out what is possible. You figure out which products matter most. You figure out which products can wait. You make those calls. Those calls are not yours to make. You make them anyway because no one else can. You are recruiting at universities. You are speaking at conferences about your company's vision. You are thinking about what engineering will look like in 5 years. You are thinking about the technologies you need to invest in now. Artificial intelligence is changing everything. You need to figure out what that means for your department. You need to figure out if your hiring is still right. You make $265,000. This seems like a lot of money. It also seems like very little money compared to the responsibility. You have 200 engineers reporting to you through various chains of command. 200 people's careers depend partially on decisions you make. You think about this sometimes. You think about it when you can't sleep. You think about it when a decision goes wrong. You think about it when you review someone's file and realize you approved something that shouldn't have been approved. You fix it, you move forward. Level 11, the VP of Engineering running the ship. You are VP of Engineering. You are at the executive level. You report to the CEO. You report to the board. You are no longer managing engineers. You are managing managers of managers. You are managing the entire technological direction of the company. You are thinking 5 years out. You are thinking 10 years out. You are thinking about whether your company will still exist in a decade. This is your job now. You sit in strategy meetings where the company's future is decided. You have a vote. Your vote matters. You recommend that the company pivot into a new market. The pivot requires new technologies. The pivot requires new hires. The pivot requires money. It also requires time. You make the case. The CEO listens. The board votes. The pivot happens. You manage a $40 million budget. You manage the hiring of 100 new engineers this year. You manage the training of 300 existing engineers. You manage the culture of the department. You are responsible for retention. You are responsible for quality. You are responsible for innovation. These things conflict. You navigate the conflicts. You usually find the right balance. Sometimes you don't. When you don't, the product reflects it. You remember what it felt like to be an electrical engineer one. You remember the cubicle. You remember the deductible you didn't understand. You remember the realization that you might stay there forever. You didn't stay there. You moved. You moved 10 times. Each time you thought you would reach the end. Each time there was another level, another responsibility, another group of people depending on you. You're 50 now. You have a house. You have a pension plan. You have 300 people who work for you. You have a voice in a company